how do we look at all of our assets, whatever they are, people assets, financial assets, physical assets, how do we manage them throughout their life cycle in a way that is effective and efficient, that brings value to the organization?
When you invest in your people and your process, you make the gains for the value of the organization. ISO 55000 enabled a culture change in the organization I was working with most recently, and across all of my customers. It's that the idea of adopting the collaboration, that end goal of getting to a better state of managing your facilities and assets for the long term, which is enabling value for everybody.
You can work on performance, but you need that alignment to the strategic plan in order for it possible for performance management, asset management to be as impactful.
Some of the very basic principles of ISO 55000 maximize the whole, not just pieces, keeping in mind all the different stakeholders, the tone at the top from leadership. It takes all that into account as you're developing a strategic asset management plan, because the need is the mission and serving the mission of the organization and the mission of the stakeholder.
Companies that are thinking about their external footprint and their relationship with their stakeholders came through the pandemic much better. And it gets back to stakeholder engagement. If you're having conversations, if you're thinking from the perspective of the people who are part of your value, that then you're going to be better prepared for emerging trends and frankly for emerging opportunities.